what are the issues top of the mind of the voters? Because there is certainly a new political reality in Assam, as you've been reporting, after the delimitation exercise.
Well, first of all, there is a big headline that is coming out of this place, Amingaon, where short while back, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma had cast his vote, and after casting his vote, he came out, he spoke to media, and he did take some questions from NDTV, which I hope we have played it out or will play it out, where he categorically said that it is not only Assam and Northeast, but Eastern India, states like North Assam and rest of Northeast, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. These are the states which will decide which way the results will go. So what Himanta Biswa Sharma is categorically saying that this time the final results, what would be the result that would come out on June 4th, much will depend upon how BJP will do in Northeast, in Bengal, in Jharkhand as well as in Odisha, and he says that the BJP is going to do very well. We will definitely play out that sound bite in a short while. If we have not played that out, I had put this question categorically to him, to which he said that just wait and watch. Eastern India will be very crucial and the results will depend upon how BJP does in East India. Very strong words there from Assam Chief Minister who has headed the campaign of the BJP in Assam. This time primarily he has campaigned in Assam. And talking about the mood of the voters, you can see behind me, despite inclement weather conditions, now that the weather has improved, voters standing for hours in the queue to cast their votes. In fact, a lot of women have come out this time to cast their vote. If I can ask my camera person Sanjay Chakraborty to give a closer view. This has been the mood from the first phase, continued in the second phase, and now you can see these young voters here. We'll try to talk to them. आपने वोट डाल दिया अपना?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं.
फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर हैं आप?
नहीं, पहले भी डाल चुके.
कितने घंटे वेट कर रहे हैं आप?
अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही आए हैं. तो
थोड़ी देर पहले मुख्यमंत्री ने भी यहाँ पे वोट डाला. तो मूड क्या है लोगों का? क्योंकि बारिश हो रही थी सुबह, मगर मैंने देखा कि सुबह से यहाँ पे लोग खड़े हैं, घंटों से खड़े हैं, बारिश, छतरी लेके आए हैं. उमंग बहुत ज्यादा है. वोट,
हाँ, उमंग तो बहुत ज्यादा है, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो लोगों की तो बहुत हालत भी थोड़ा सा बुरा है कि बहुत सारा, आप तो देख सकते हैं कि बहुत सारा लाइन है यहाँ पे, तो इसीलिए हालत थोड़ा बुरा हो रहा है.
सरकार जो अगली सरकार बनने वाली है, मुख्यमंत्री कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी बहुत अच्छा करेगी. अगली सरकार जो बनने वाली है, उससे आप जैसे यंगस्टर्स जो हैं, यंग वोटर्स हैं, आपके उम्मीदें क्या हैं?
उम्मीद तो हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इस बार जो अगली सरकार बनेंगे, तो हम लोग तो चाहते हैं हम लोग की तरफ से अच्छी बने, जो हम लोग की मांगे है वो पूरी हो.
मांगे क्या है?
मांगे मतलब क्या है? जनता की जो मांगे होती है वैसे.
क्या इश्यूज है? जनता की क्या मांगे हैं? क्या चाहिए अगली सरकार?
वही जो लोग बोल रहे हैं ना, वही चाहिए बस. मुझे इतना बस, सामान का दाम ज्यादा होता है, लोगों की दिक्कत ज्यादा होती है, हर चीज में मतलब दाम ज्यादा होता है.
So therefore you can see this is Amingaon. This is the constituency of the Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, and even here, despite his campaign, this youngster talking about inflation. So somewhere, the opposition campaign has been able to catch some imagination even in his constituency. So therefore, this phase, the third phase is very crucial, because here the allies of the BJP will have to deliver. Parties like AGP has not sent an MP for decades. This time, if they are able to do it, then only the BJP tally would increase, as what the Chief Minister is predicting. And he's predicting that the BJP tally will not only, the NDA tally will not only increase in Assam and Northeast, but in states like West Bengal,
Yes, that's
Jharkhand,
an interesting
and
headline
even
coming
Odisha.
out of the Chief Minister's interview there. Ratnadeep, thanks very much for joining us.